Lilipad na ang kauna-unahang direktang flight ng Canadian flag carrier na Air Canada mula Vancouver patungong Maynila simula April 2. Ang dagdag na flight option na ito makakabuti raw sa mga biyahero. Ang report mula kay Rhea Santos.
Sana ang Air Canada will look into that market na we Filipinos always want something not cheaper but something affordable for all of us.
Gusto natin maganda service.
It's good news for us, especially to our big Filipino community here in British Columbia.
Naganap ang selebrasyon ng pagsisimula ng non-stop flights ng Air Canada mula Vancouver patungong Maynila Martes. 3 beses kada linggo patungong Pilipinas ngayong Abril ang paunang bugso ng lipad ng Canadian Airline. Pagdating ng Mayo, 4 na beses na ang iaalok nitong flights.
You can find our prices are very competitive. We offer different ranges of products for consumers. We are so excited to be launching this service. We will have Tagalog speaker on the flight.